Looking to upgrade your kitchen with smart, time-saving tools? These innovative gadgets bring convenience, creativity, and efficiency into your daily routine, from quick meal prep to effortless cooking and organization. Whether you're a beginner or a home chef, these finds make every task easier and more enjoyable. All products links in the description section below. If your kitchen or bar area feels a bit cluttered, this wine glass holder is one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. It neatly tucks your stemware under cabinets, freeing up space while keeping everything within easy reach. Whether you're hosting friends or just unwinding after a long day, having your glasses organized adds a touch of convenience and style. The simple, no-drill setup means you can transform your space in minutes. It's an easy way to stay organized, and once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't sooner. Cooking meals that need constant stirring can quickly turn into a chore, especially when you're juggling other tasks in the kitchen. That's where this automatic pot stirrer steps in, giving you the freedom to multitask while your food cooks evenly without sticking or burning. From creamy sauces to hearty stews, it keeps everything moving smoothly with minimal effort. It's perfect for busy days or when you just want a more relaxed cooking experience. Once you see how much easier it makes things, you might not want to cook without it again. Keeping your fridge neat doesn't have to be a constant struggle, and this egg holder makes it surprisingly effortless. With its smart rolling design, you can grab eggs quickly without digging around or worrying about breakage. It's perfect for busy mornings, meal prep days, or anyone who loves an organized kitchen. The stackable build helps you maximize space while keeping everything visible and fresh. It's one of those simple additions that quietly improves your daily routine, and once it's in your fridge, you'll appreciate the difference every day. Meal prep doesn't have to feel like a slow, repetitive task, especially when you have a tool that does the hard work for you. This electric peeler brings speed and simplicity to your kitchen, effortlessly handling fruits and vegetables while you focus on putting meals together. Whether you're cooking for the family or just trying to save time on a busy day, it keeps things smooth and consistent. The hands-free operation adds a level of convenience you'll quickly appreciate. It's one of those small upgrades that can make cooking feel easier, faster, and a lot more enjoyable overall. If you've ever struggled with fishing pickles or olives out of a messy jar, this clever glass container makes the whole experience so much smoother. With its flip design, you can easily separate the juice and grab what you need without the hassle. It's perfect for everyday snacking, quick meal prep, or adding a little extra convenience to your fridge setup. The clean, organized feel it brings to your kitchen is surprisingly satisfying. Once you start using it, reaching for your favorite treats becomes easier and a lot more enjoyable every single time. Washing up after meals doesn't have to feel like a chore when your setup is this simple and efficient. This soap dispensing brush keeps everything streamlined, letting you add soap with a quick press while tackling dishes with ease. It's perfect for busy kitchens, late-night cleanups, or anyone who wants to save time without sacrificing cleanliness. The compact holder keeps your sink area tidy, so everything looks as good as it works. Once it becomes part of your routine, you'll notice how much smoother and quicker dishwashing can be every single day. Getting perfectly sliced meat at home doesn't have to be tricky, and this manual meat slicer makes it surprisingly simple. With its sharp stainless steel blades and adjustable thickness, you can create uniform slices or strips for everything from hot pot to homemade jerky. Its compact, sturdy design keeps it steady while you work, and cleanup is hassle-free. Whether you're prepping chicken, beef, or pork, it saves time and effort while giving professional quality results. Once you try it, slicing meat becomes faster, more precise, and a lot more enjoyable in your everyday cooking routine. Making breakfast or any meal more fun and effortless is easy with this electric crepe maker. Its non-stick surface heats evenly in seconds, letting you whip up crepes, pancakes, or soft tortillas without any fuss. The compact design fits right on your countertop, perfect for small kitchens or quick weekend brunches. With its simple one-touch operation and easy-to-clean surface, cooking becomes stress-free and enjoyable. Whether you're feeding the family or experimenting with new recipes, it turns everyday meals into a little moment of joy. Once you try it, you'll reach for it again and again. Mornings can get hectic, but this smart toaster makes starting the day effortless and a little more enjoyable. With its touchscreen interface, memory function, and precise presets, you get perfectly toasted bagels, bread, or waffles every time, no guesswork needed. Even solo slices come out crisp and evenly browned, saving energy and time. Its sleek stainless steel design keeps your countertop looking sharp, while the removable crumb tray makes cleanup quick. Whether you're feeding the whole family or grabbing a single slice, this toaster brings consistency, convenience, and a touch of smart kitchen magic to every breakfast. Cooking meals anywhere, whether at home, in a dorm, or on the go, becomes effortless with this electric hot pot. Its multifunctional design lets you steam, saute, or cook a variety of dishes simultaneously, keeping flavors vibrant and nutrients intact. With adjustable heat settings, quick even heating, and a non-stick surface, meal prep is faster, healthier, and less messy. Compact and portable, it's perfect for travel, small kitchens, or late-night cravings. Once you start using it, you'll appreciate how convenient and versatile it is, turning everyday cooking into a simple, enjoyable experience every time. Preparing avocados can sometimes feel messy and time-consuming, especially when you're trying to get clean, even slices. This 3-in-1 avocado slicer simplifies the whole process, letting you split, pit, and slice in one smooth motion. It's perfect for quick breakfasts, salads, or homemade guacamole without the usual hassle. The comfortable grip and easy design make it a go-to tool for everyday use. Whether you're in a rush or taking your time in the kitchen, it adds a level of convenience you'll quickly appreciate and likely reach for again and again. Making burgers at home just got a whole lot easier and more organized with this clever burger press. Instead of shaping patties one by one, you can prep multiple portions at once and store them neatly for later. It's perfect for meal prepping, weekend grilling, or quick dinners without the extra effort. The design keeps patties separated and ready to use, saving you time whenever hunger hits. Whether you're planning ahead or cooking on the spot, it adds convenience to your routine, and once you try it, you'll love having burgers ready whenever you need them. Busy mornings or quick snack cravings become much easier to handle with this versatile 3-in-1 waffle maker. Whether you're in the mood for crispy waffles, toasted sandwiches, or grilled treats, it brings everything into one compact, easy-to-use appliance. The non-stick plates make cooking and cleanup simple, while the quick heating saves you valuable time. It's perfect for small kitchens, on-the-go lifestyles, or anyone who enjoys variety without the clutter. Once it's part of your routine, you'll find yourself reaching for it whenever you want something quick, warm, and satisfying. Prepping fresh pineapple doesn't have to feel like a messy, time-consuming chore anymore. With this corer and slicer, you can turn a whole pineapple into neat, ready-to-eat rings in just seconds. It's perfect for quick snacks, fruit salads, desserts, or even adding a tropical touch to your drinks. The easy-to-use design keeps things simple while saving you effort in the kitchen. Whether you're entertaining guests or just treating yourself, it brings a little more convenience to your routine, and once you try it, you'll likely keep it within reach every time. Making fresh pasta at home becomes a whole new experience with this handy attachment. Instead of the usual effort and time, you can roll and cut dough smoothly, creating perfect spaghetti or fettuccine right in your kitchen. It's ideal for cozy dinners, family cooking sessions, or experimenting with new recipes without the hassle. The streamlined design keeps things simple while delivering consistent results every time. Once you start enjoying homemade pasta this easily, it adds a special touch to everyday meals and might just inspire you to get a little more creative in the kitchen. Quick, tasty snacks are always a win, and this sausage roll maker makes them easier than ever to enjoy at home. Instead of spending time shaping and baking, you can have perfectly cooked rolls ready in minutes with minimal effort. It's great for busy mornings, after-school snacks, or casual get-togethers when you want something warm and satisfying. The compact design keeps things simple while saving space in your kitchen. Once you start using it, whipping up fresh, homemade treats becomes faster, more convenient, and something you'll look forward to anytime hunger strikes. Starting your day with fresh juice feels refreshing, and this cold-pressed juicer makes it incredibly easy to enjoy at home. It smoothly extracts juice from fruits and vegetables, giving you rich flavor and the texture you prefer with simple pulp control options. Whether you're making a quick morning drink or a healthy boost during the day, it keeps the process clean and hassle-free. The compact design fits neatly into your kitchen routine without taking up much space. Once you begin using it, fresh, homemade juice becomes something you'll look forward to every day. Adding that perfect finishing touch to your meals can make all the difference, and this Butane Torch helps you do it with ease. Whether you're caramelizing sugar on desserts, crisping up toppings, or enhancing flavors, it brings a professional feel right into your kitchen. The adjustable flame gives you control for different tasks, making it versatile for both cooking and creative projects. Compact and easy to handle, it fits naturally into your routine without any fuss. Once you start using it, you'll enjoy elevating everyday dishes with that extra bit of flair and precision. Getting tender, juicy meat at home doesn't have to be a challenge, especially with the right tool in your kitchen. This meat tenderizer helps break down tough fibers quickly, allowing marinades to soak in better and cook more evenly. It's perfect for preparing steaks, chicken, or pork with less effort and better results. The simple design keeps things clean and efficient, making meal prep smoother overall. Once you start using it, you'll notice how much more flavorful and tender your dishes become, making every bite just a little more satisfying. Cooking for family or prepping larger meals becomes so much easier with a reliable electric skillet like this. Its spacious design and even heating make it perfect for everything from quick stir-fries to hearty one-pan dishes without crowding your stove. Whether you're hosting, meal prepping, or just making dinner a little simpler, it brings convenience and flexibility to your kitchen. The adjustable temperature gives you control, while the portable design makes serving and sharing effortless. Once you start using it, it quickly becomes a go-to for everyday cooking and special meals alike. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.